Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this hydroponics system from SUNCOZE. This thing looks really neat because it comes with everything you need to start a hydroponics. So it is packaged really well. It has these nice edges on here to then bring you into this system. Now this does come in a variety of colors. I was sent this green one, so we will get it out of its packaging. Now it does have 20 different pods in here. This is your LED lights. It does actually have 2 different modes, which I've never seen a hydroponics that does this. It has a red and a blue light because fruits and vegetables like different wavelengths. So this allows you to select that. I think that's awesome. And it also has a timer, so you can easily set the timer on there. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do are take these little legs and put them on the underneath side of this little hold area here, and they just simply stick right on here. So now we have all of these installed on here. Then we are going to take our little pods and stick them down in there as well. So the underneath side of this has actually got a nice non-slip grip that's right here. So here's this container up close. You actually have an area right here to put this little filter thing. It just sits right there. This comes out if you need it to clean it. And this just snaps right over the top. And then we're gonna fill it up with some water and add in all of our tops here. So this has a 10-liter water tank. That's a nice big size for this. So you shouldn't have to fill it up that often. So now we have our water in, and now we just easily snap these into place. And you can always add the water in later, which is great because of how easy this is right here. You just lift this up and then you can add in your water right here through that hole as well. So that is a nice little feature, and then it also keeps those together. So then our next step is we just add all of these little posts here. So that way the seeds would then go inside of these little holes right here at the top is where your seeds would then go. So that this sits down inside of here. And then your last thing you get are the little domes. So you'd put your seeds inside here, and then each one of these would then have a little dome to be able to keep these hydrated. To install our light, all you've got to do is line this up with the other, and then it just pops right into place. And now you've got your light that you then put in the back hole here. And it is adjustable. So it goes up, really high. This thing can go up in the air. That looks really cool. You can have some tall plants in there. And with that, they actually give you these nice posts. So if you do have plants that need the support, once you're done with these, you can put these in here, and that way your little climbing plants can have a support brace to be able to go up, or you can tie onto them so they don't all fall over. So that's a really nice addition that they give these to you. And there are 12 of them in here. Now that we have our light on here, I'm going to show you this top panel up here. You've got your time displayed. If you want to add on a timer for that, you just click on here. It shows your timer, and then you can just adjust your time by pressing your mode button. So you've got your hours and your minutes, and then hold down to select it. And then your lights, you have the flower mode and the vegetable mode. So when you hold down on it, your light will then come on, and you've got your flower mode. So then when we look underneath here, you see the different lights that are all lit up with that blue and red light. And then we come up here and we can press the mode button again. And then it changes the coloring of the light to best support the vegetable mode. So all of those blue lights are now all gone. So that's really neat that you can actually select which lights you want for which plants. And then it does have all this plant food too. You have your A and your B different plant foods that you can give it during different cycles of its life. So this is a really nice hydroponic system. I like how versatile it is that you can add different plants, that this can easily go up and down.